Welcome to the Windows Club. If you are unable to install touchpad drivers on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. First of all, the touchpad is usually made by a company called Synaptics. So you can go to the manufacturer's website. For example, if your computer is a Lenovo computer, then go to support.lenovo.com and download the latest drivers. Alternatively, you can go to intel.com or its local version, search for touchpad drivers or Intel driver and support assistant in the Intel search bar at the top right corner, download it and run it to install the latest drivers. If this helps, well and good. If not, then the next solution would be to delete a certain registry key. Press the Windows key and the R button together. In the run field, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, system. Under this key in the right pane, you'll find a lot of entries. One of them would be enable installer detection. Right click on it and select delete. It will give a confirmation box. Click on yes to delete this entry and reboot your computer. If this helps, well and good. If not, then you would have to disable driver signature enforcement. Copy this command line mentioned here. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, and in the right pane, click on run as administrator corresponding to the command prompt application. This will open the elevated command prompt window. Copy this command here and hit enter. This will resolve the problem eventually. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you still have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.